Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how to get caption sticker for Instagram Reels, or you can say how to use a caption sticker for your Instagram Reels. So for that, first of all, you need to go to a home and go to a Reels section here. So once you go to a reel section, like you can record anything, or if you want to select it from gallery, you can select it. For example, I will record something. So now I am recording something and I'm also speaking along with that. So here you can see this, the sample video. So our video is ready. Now after this, you need to click on preview. So now we will click on this sticker icon on the top. You can see, just click on this one and click on captions. So once you click on captions, it will automatically detect the text whatever you are speaking in this video, and you can also change the style of your text. Here you can see it. So once you will select, then you can click on next, then your reel is ready. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.